Boys and their toys.
Figured I worked enough overtime.
Oh, hell yeah. That's what's funny. We're getting all the toys we never had when we were a kid, plus the new ones. Where is it?
It's over the ditch.
You wait till the deer go by and send it out after.
I know.
Going down the ditch.
It tells me there's trees in my way.
Limbs are hanging out. You went kind of to the left a little bit. He told you that?
Oh yeah. What's right above the square? Can you see it?
What?
See it? There's a little indicator, 24 feet.
Oh. Thing's crazy, man. And you dropped it down there. You turn that sucker around, come back. It's getting that way out there. At the end, getting close to the end of the ditch. So now I need to go get my remote control car, see if we can follow it down the highway here.
As long as you don't go 50 miles an hour, yeah. It only does 30.
Well, that's the cool thing. You can be going, I come out from underneath. Ow! I don't know where you went, dude.
I'm at the end of
The ditch.
Byway.
That's back towards us.
Nope, this is.
That is, okay. It's weird shit they come up with, man. I've been reading about the new D-Wave computers, quantums. That thing will put the brakes on. That's crazy.
Won't let me.
Oh, it knew you were there.
No matter what, unless we go left and right.
Yeah. Watch that can. Watch that can. Shoot.
Won't let me. As long as you're below it, in front of it.
Yeah, in front of it. Yeah. Holy shit, it's almost up. Scaring the shit out of me, man.